out of New York City, and my brand is called, this collection for Paris Fashion Week is Angelic, and it's about bringing the angel out of a woman and helping her be angelic and feel more confident, spread her wings, and fly. Mostly women, but I got a treat for you. I got one man. So I believe in chivalry, and I'm having the man, which I designed his suit jacket and his tie and his pants, and we designed his boots as well. So we're showing how he can court a woman and help her be more angelic. This collection is to help make the woman feel empowered and to show that you don't have to be, you can still have class without being dressed scantily. So we're definitely trying to invoke that message and allow the woman to be more angelic and confident and boost her self-esteem. It's my first time doing Paris Fashion Week. I've done New York Fashion Week, but it's an honor to come out here and do Paris Fashion Week and collaborate with Paris City Fashion Week. If I had to define my collection in 3 words, I would say wearable couture with elegance.